Hey human, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the beautiful chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you'll find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. By the end of this video, you will have a well-curated toiletry bag with all your skincare and body care essentials, perfectly tailored for your travel needs. So stay tuned and let's get started on organizing your toiletry bag efficiently. I love this package because it literally has everything. So I'll guide you through the process of selecting easy to use, useful and compact containers for your creams, toners, body wash. These small packs will ensure you have everything you need while taking up minimal space in your luggage. So let's get started. They are silicone based, so they're flexible. Like I said, it will not take up space. They are travel friendly. They are lightweight, and they provide the perfect solution for refreshing your skin on the go without carrying bulky bottles. So let's start. I'm packing my hairspray in this bottle, and it is just the perfect size for me. I love them because, like I said, they do not take up space. They are secure. Next is my toner. They're secure, they're leak free. They are not just practical, but like I said, they meet airport regulations, making them ideal for any travel type. So this is our barrier face wash. It is silky. It is the perfect salicylic face wash that you will love to travel with anytime. Next is the exfoliating black soap. The soap gives you a glow. And our body butter comes in next. It's a thick consistency, but I added rose water so that I can transfer it in this container. Next is our face scrub. These containers are leak free. Did I say so? Yes, they're leak free, so they're the perfect containers to pack for your travel. This face wash will face scrub will last you all through your journey. Next is our miracle in a tube face moisturizer, the perfect moisturizer you need on your travel. The amazing thing about this package is that it came with labels, making it easy for you to identify everything on the go. This is convenient, space saving. Whether you're going on a weekend getaway or a long adventure, having a well-organized bag with your skincare and body care essential is essential. Alrighty humans, remember to like this video, leave me a comment or two, and you may want to consider subscribing if you haven't to my channel for more travel tips, skincare routine, lifestyle content, and food, healthy food, easy to put together recipes, gourmet like recipes. And if you're traveling, I'll be saying happy travels. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah!